Hey everyone, how's it going? So we've had some really good feedback on all of our different Among Us Godzilla skins. So today I want to show you guys how to do another one, and that is the Gigan Among Us skin. If you guys have any more requests for different Among Us skins in the Godzilla style, please let me know, and I'll definitely try my best to get all of them. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with this, we're going to start right here in the middle. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that curves up, and it's going to come down like this. And then I'm going to bring this over and we'll connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve over and then it's going to come back. And right here, I'm going to draw another line. It's going to curve and then it's going to come right back. Right here, I'll make a line that goes down, and then I'm going to bring it up to here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around, and it's going to come down, and then go right to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around, and then it's going to come down to right about here. Then I'm going to connect a little line here, and I'm going to draw another line that goes straight down. We'll make it go down a little farther. Starting here, we'll draw a little line that goes over and then up. Draw a straight line across, and another line that goes down and then over to connect it. Over here, we're going to make a little line that goes out. It's going to come down and then over for the little pack. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down here. And then I'm going to draw another little line that's pretty close to this. I'm then going to make a few little points in here. And then another little line that just goes right behind each one of those. Now I'm just going to put one of the little kind of blades on here. Now to do this, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come down like this. Then I'm going to make it come to a point and then bring it back to the body. Then we'll add a little curved line right here and a little line right about along the bottom. Next, I'm going to start up here. I'm going to draw a little line that goes up, comes to a point, and then it's going to come back down. Then I'll draw another one here, and another one here. Then right at the top, I'm going to add a little circle shape with a little line coming down on each side. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Among Us Gigan skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.